So I'm giving the link. I hope someone are unable to update this one. Just update it, please. Everyone need to update. Okay. And I'm sending it over chat. So please update it right now because we need to segregate the teams. We cannot have one. We cannot have single person available in multiple teams. So everyone should be allocated with a team. So let's do it for today. Enough of training. Now the time is for working on the projects. Guys, please update. I cannot pull everyone's name. Just check it and update. So we need business analysts, we need developers, and we need everything. So I'll just filter out the information. Okay. Yeah. Let's complete. Then we'll check. So Marishwaran, you can be a instead of Java developer, just write RPA developer or tester. I'm updating it. Don't worry. So guys, don't think that this will be any kind of session. We will be segregating our teams and we'll be working with our projects. So stay tuned and don't move away. So we have Vicky Sharma, BA and the analyst. Vicky, what are you more comfortable in? Vicky? Vicky, are you there?
Morning, everyone.
Yep. Vicky, you need to speak, Vicky. See, guys, you need to speak. Just speak. Keep yourself in mute after that. Yeah. So, Vicky, what are you comfortable with? Dev or BA? What is your primary expertise?
Dev.
Is it Dev?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, hi Vajran, good morning.
Hello, everyone.
Vajran, there is no chat enable in my Teams.
Yeah, because you joined as a guest. Ashwita, you are
Okay.
also a developer, RPA support engineer. Okay. I will take you as a RPA developer. See, right now, the first project you will be working as a developer. Second project you will be moved as a business analyst. Third project you will be moved as a support role. Like that we will work. Okay. RPA developer. So Ambika, I'll make you as a tester.
Okay.
Okay. But you need
Yeah.
to learn testing activities, not development activities.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm mapping you as per your expertise. I don't want you to pull in something new, and I don't want to fry your brain. Okay.
Yeah.
Do whatever you are doing. Do it perfectly. There is hope for everyone. Okay. So analyst Blue Prism certified. So Bhagyashree, what are you certified in? Are you certified in like do you have working experience or what?
Not really,
Hmm.
just certified, I mean.
Hmm. Okay. But have you created any PDDs?
Uh, I have created, but it's not on professional level.
Hmm.
I mean, as a just my, you know, learning experience, I have created PDDs and yeah, I know quite a lot of things for analyst.
Okay, then let's move you to analyst. BA analyst.
Okay.
Okay. See,
But
the
I'm
role.
also ready to, work as a developer too.
No.
So
See,
I
if it
don't want to limit myself.
no, you're not limiting yourself. So for this project, you have a specific role. For the next project, you
Okay,
will have a different role.
cool, no problem.
Yeah. Because if everyone are doing only development, then there should be someone who should be monitoring the team. Right? Developer. Yeah, I'll give you as developer. Sai Bantapalli. See, there will be mostly developers. There will be few unique BAs and testers. They will get more salaries than us.
Actually, my name is not. I'm Arpita.
So, sorry, I didn't get you.
I'm Arpita actually.
Yeah,
I didn't see my name in this session.
Arpita, what is this about? Arpita, can you ping me in WhatsApp,
Yeah,
please?
actually.
What is that? What are you asking?
I mean, in this Excel sheet, my name is not there.
You
So
need
I'm
to fill it.
asking you.
You need to fill it, Arpita.
Oh, okay.
I'm not filling it. You are filling it. All the team members are doing it.
Okay.
Okay. So, RP developer, Satish Rati, okay, Valdemar. Okay, RP developer, Prabhu Kiran, Aparna tester, okay, RP tester. Okay, Kavita, we have pretty good RP testers in the team. So I just want to make you comfortable with whatever you have, then I will pull you in the other things. Okay, RP support. So you be a RP developer, please. So, RP developer, okay, developer, tester. I want you to be a solution architect. Brio, can you please unmute?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here. Yeah,
Yeah. So
solution.
I don't want you to be only a developer, but I want you to manage the complete team with your experience. You can be a great guide and uh, you can be a great asset for the team.
Okay.
Okay. So you have mentioned that you have only 4 years of experience. Sorry, not you. Brio, right? Yeah. Where are you? Yeah. So how many years of experience in total do you have?
In .NET,
No, not in .NET, in general, in IT.
in IT, it's about 10 years
10 years.
altogether.
Okay. Prior to that, what were you doing?
I had small businesses which had nothing to do with IT.
Okay, great.
I learned software development in 2000.
Got it. So what we will do is, I'll pick few members who can be leads based on their experience. Okay, there is nothing to do with any kind of role. Everyone will have their own role. Just make sure that you are leading the team that you are given, along with the development activities.
Okay.
So, okay, Akhileshwar, yeah, developer. So I just want, so guys, on the right side there are multiple things, 10 years and all. So why don't you just change it only with the years. So if it is 5+ years, so Mari, if it is 5+, just mention it as 6. Don't just round it off. Okay, if it is 10 years, just mention it as 10.
Is it relevant experience in UiPath or total experience?
How many years you want to keep yourself in your resumes? See, that's what actually see. But what you can do is you can keep whatever experience you have, not relevant experience.
Until I kept everything as genuine, that's why.
Yeah, that's why whatever you want to keep only genuine activity, so that I can also understand what level of experience do you have. Just change it to, if it is more than 10 years, just mention it as more than 10 years. Just do it.
Vajrang, I have a 7+ experience, but
Yeah.
it's not related to the IT one. It's
Mm.
a total different field.
So yeah, that's what. So if it is not related to IT, then let's see how you can map the things and all. Ritesh.
Okay.
Okay. So instead of Ritesh only, right?
Yes.
Okay. So instead of RP developer, let's be analyst, RP analyst. Okay. So everyone have their own roles. Don't worry. So initially you will do one activity that's not into coding, because if you are given coding straight away, then you will not be able to understand the process first.
Okay.
Okay. RP developer. See, I really like teams now. Everyone are making changes. I really like to see this. Let me take a screenshot and post it. Not with your names, by the way.
Vajrang, I didn't mention my experience because I'm into the fresher, so that's why I didn't mention it. I mentioned that I have done my course.
Uh, if you are mentioning zero, then mention zero. I want freshers even. Mention everything. Just mention number, nothing else. Not years plus years. Just mention 4. 7 years reconciliation, no UiPath experience. So I do understand you don't have no UiPath experience. So what we can do, we can write it in the comments. That's already written. So let's just add. But this is 7. This is what will work. So yeah. So you are already a business analyst, so that should be working. Okay. Solutions architect. I want people with more than 14 years. Yeah. RPA architect, Bhargav. So Bhargav, you be a solution architect. RPA,
Okay, Vajrang.
RPA architect.
Okay. Okay.
Architect. Okay. Sivasai, mention your experience, current experience you have. Guys, please go on mute if you're not talking. The meeting is getting recorded and everything will be recorded. So please. Okay, we still have only 41 members. We need to update, guys, please. Just mention only 3 roles: developer, tester, analyst. So whatever it is, it's only you are an RPA analyst, RPA tester, RPA architect. That's it. Harpita, uh, can you please unmute? Okay.
Yeah, Vajrang.
So how many years of experience you have in
5
general?
years.
Okay. What have you
5
done?
years.
Are you working as a tester in those 5 years?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then go as a tester. Okay. Um, okay. Developer, Sirisha tester, good Sirisha, and Akshaya RPA developer. Super. So there is one person who is saying 02. Chandu, please unmute. Chandu. So I'm mentioning it as 0 for Chandu. Harinath, I developed S3D creation. Harinath, are you available? Okay, fine. So what I'll do, I'll just stop editing everyone, please. Okay, okay. Let's work on this. Sort A to Z. So let's RP analyst. We have RP analyst. Okay. So anyone with more than 10 years of experience? Hemanta, can you please unmute and talk? Hemanta. Guys, please don't edit now. This will not help. Earlier completed UiPath course. Guys, I just want you to write. Uday, what is this? Update. So this is 0 years of experience. Uday, please update the correct experience. I don't want 0 to 1 year. So if it is fresher, mention it as 0. That should be fine. Absolutely fine. Hemanta, can you please unmute? Anand. Yeah, Anand, go as a solution RP architect.
Okay.
Okay. So here we have Ambika. Ambika,
Yes.
you will be a lead for RPA testing and you need to guide everyone.
Yeah.
Small artist. Okay, Vicky Sharma, go as a RPA architect, please. Hemanta, you need to go as an RPA architect. Hemanta, are you available? Okay, I'm dropping Hemanta, not in the team for now. Let's see with others.
I think he's in the team but not able to speak.
Okay. If there are any messages coming in, okay, okay, fine. I'm just changing that back. Automatic. Okay, Hemant, I want you to take as a RPA architect, not as a developer. Okay, just check with that. So, form filter, filter, custom sort. Current experience I'm sorting at, then by role. Okay, role you can have the values. Okay, we have teams and now the team should be divided. So let's go ahead and divide the teams. Team 1, team 2. Okay, team name. Let's segregate the teams. Okay. Hide columns. Okay, and comments. Hide. Don't unhide these, please, for now. Let's work with this. Okay, how many architects do we have now? 5 architects. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 architects and testers. Okay, let me just sort it out. Sort by A to Z. Okay, so we have architects. So team will be formed something like this. Team structure. Okay, one RPA. Okay, let me just put in the values. Analyst, architect, developer. developer. If you want to work alone, you cannot work. There is no option for you. You need to work with a team and work like that. So RPA testing team will be separate. They will work only with testing. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, so simple thing. Every team will have one analyst.
Sorry,
Okay.
Bajrang, please take my name.
What's
Just
your
I tested in message. John.
What's your name?
John. 4 years experience.
John, right? John, haven't you added here?
I haven't added. Just I joined as a guest. I'm not able to.
Okay. So, what is your
Oh,
prior experience?
no, actually new to IT.
New to IT, so it's
Yes.
fresher.
Yes.
Okay, let me just add you as a fresher.
Thank you.
But 4 years experience in what?
2 years testing. 2 years as a developer.
Okay, let's go with a tester for this, please.
Okay.
You know the basic manual testing and all?
Yes, I have idea.
Great. Sheets. Okay, now here we go. There will be one analyst. So how this will work is, um, testing team need to talk to Ambika. Ambika, you need to allocate which member need to work on which team for testing process.
Okay.
Okay, and you need to also see everyone are allocated with the work. So architects, your work is to understand the process from RPA analysts and try to create a solution. Okay, so how many analysts do we have? We have 3 analysts: Bhagyasri, Shivasai, Ritesh. Guys, can you please unmute?
Yes, Vajra.
Yes, Bajrang.
Okay, so your task is to see the process and tell that this is the process that we have. We need to develop.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so see, for ease, what we will do is we'll go with bots DNA for now because it has a lot of questions already and it's in single place. It will be easy for you. Okay, so we have all these use cases, and I want you to develop each use case one person can be developing. So we already have location, active use case, active loans, and school info, I guess, or notary services. See, don't go with existing code. Don't go with any previous code. That will not help you out. Okay, so create your own code, point of contacts or anything. Even if your project failed, that's a learning experience. Fail now, don't fail in the projects while people are paying you. Okay, so can I just have these project names here, please? Everyone, can you please type in? I will just message. I cannot type in all the things. Just type in the names in the chat. Where is this? Yeah, here we go. Project names. Just check with the project names. Okay, first one is give the exact names and the URL. So I'm taking with locator. Others, please go ahead and copy and paste. Copy link address. You can start from the back, I guess. So anyone are working on this? Okay, let me do it faster.
You mean each one developer has to take each one services here to
Yep,
develop?
yep. Remote desktop. Copy link address. Probable vegetable market restaurant. Guys, just write the names left to it. Hey, don't write the names. It should be project name. It's not your name. Abjit. You will be allocated to teams. You will not be an individual person. Food factory. Contacts. Save. Bookshop. Popular is already added, right? So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do we have 18 in place? We have one less. Okati taggindi. Can you please identify and find out? What is that? Mi Seva contacts. Yeah, Mi Seva contacts is already added, buddy. Someone is already added. I have ordered it. So no need for Mi Seva contacts. So let me just go format. Yeah. Highlight. So there are no duplicates, but one thing is missing. Industrial plants. I think industrial plants are missing. No, that's there already. Okay, industrial plants is missing. I have added it. Don't add any more things. So let's add business analyst, solution architect. Okay, how many business analysts and how many solution architects do we have? So we have 4 solution architects. Copy. Paste. 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 There is one project that's coming in less for Anand. Let's see, Anand, what we can do for you. Okay.
Fine, Pedro.
So let's go with business analyst. See, everyone are new. Don't think that you are getting anything extra or anything less. So everyone will need to work. There is no other chance. Okay. And here we go. Business analyst. Business analyst. Okay, sorry, sir. Maybe add the names. Sheet 1. Bhagyasri Shivsai Ridesh. You check with your team members if the business analyst is new, even though they are new. Briyu, you have Shivasai, who is very new to RPA, but still you need to explain him on how to work on things. Okay, so Shivasai and Bhagyashree is getting one project extra. That should be fine. Testers, can we send testers right away? Okay, so I want you to still be a lead tester because I want someone to monitor testing. Ambika.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So I'll just remove you from the loop. You are always out. Okay. Okay. So John is getting one project less, but that's fine. So is it done? Just a second. I just want to have information. How many do we have? 19 to 20. It's 19 projects. So let's see. See, even I haven't checked the projects. We need everything from basic PDD, process definition document, till the end. Everything we need to have. And let's also assign the teams now. Guys, ready to form the teams? Yep. So there are no teams for business analyst. Okay. Let me just add one. Who's the highest experienced person over here? Okay, fine. Just go ahead and add it. Bhargav, what kind of role have you played earlier?
Yeah, Vajrang, I had working as an individual contributor right now.
Prior to that, you have 14 years of experience, right? What were you doing?
Yeah, currently I'm working as an individual contributor. So
No, not in RPA. Not in RPA.
in
General.
RPA.
Not in RPA. In general.
Yeah, I had experience working as a tester.
Okay.
And then I had worked as a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
And after that, I worked on RPA development.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you be a business analyst lead, please?
Yeah, sure. Vajrang.
Okay, I just want one lead who can help out all the team members. Uh, but I don't find anyone with. Okay, Ambika is already moved as a tester. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Let's not worry on that now. Okay, so we have everyone working. Just check whether you are getting anything extra. 15. I should get only 18 projects, but why do we have 19 over here? Can you please check why? Is there anything that's duplicated?
It may be due to we have a header.
No, no. BGV
Oh,
is
sorry.
BGV is. I need to remove BGV. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let me just cut it and paste. Okay, now this is working. Okay, 18. Done. So you don't are getting enough. Okay. Okay. Let's go with this. Okay, guys, what are the activities now? See, we have testers, we have business analysts, we have developers. Only the thing is, we need to map developers to the architects. So teams, dev teams. Let me just add dev teams here. Okay, and here we go with all the solution architects and Bhargav. Okay, we have Bhargav. Okay, so let's go ahead and update this one. Just a second.
Should we map the developers also?
Yeah, let's map to the architects. So developers will be reporting to architects. You want to pick a lead? Go ahead and add, but just wait. That will actually make it clumsy. I'll just wait for some time and then we'll do it. Okay. So Marishwaran, we have Prabhu Kiran. What kind of experiences do we have? Harinath, what kind of experience do we have? Harinath? Okay. Guys, you need to talk.
Hi, Vajrang, Atul this side.
Yeah, Atul.
Actually, I'm not able to see my name over here. I have updated it. I have a total 4 year of experience.
Where have you updated, Atul?
I updated, but I think someone has overwritten this.
Yeah, can you update it at the last, please?
Yeah.
And what are you working as currently?
I have a total 4 year of experience. 2 years in as a RPA developer and 2 years as a reporting analyst.
Okay.
Total 4 year of experience.
Go as a developer, please.
Okay.
Atul, right?
Yes. Atul.
Full name?
Atul Baluni, Baluni.
Okay, you have 4 years of experience, right? Let's go with 4. So, role sorted, is it? So, I think you are more to the top. Yeah, now you are more to the top. Okay. So, just wait. And what about Uday Kumar Rai and Harinath?
Yeah, Vajrang, I'm a fresher to RPA, but here I have 6 years of experience. 6 years of experience in Windows administration.
What your name, please?
Uday.
You have 6 years of experience?
Windows administration.
Windows administration. Yeah, go as a developer.
Yeah.
Okay. And Harinath, what about you?
But Vajrang, the experience we can consider if it is an RPA only, right?
No. See, that doesn't matter now. I'm just thinking like how you are able to handle with the team. That's it. Don't worry on that. Because I cannot have every 4 years experience in single team. That will not work. Okay. Team should consist of all the members with all the age groups as well as all the experiences.
Vajrang,
Yeah.
from next week, suppose we have next project. So, is this a case means the developer will be the analyst or analyst will be the developer?
Yeah, that can be. Or else what you can also do is you can still be as whatever you are working on right now, and then you can continue. Like if you want to be developer, go as a developer. Just a second, please. Hello? 2 minutes. Okay, then just metro. Okay, we have Prabhu Kiran. Four years. Okay. See, there is no segregation right now with what you are capable of. Everyone should be capable of doing all the work that's given. Okay. And Prabhu, Mayank, go with Briyu. Marishwaran, go with Vicky. Satish, go with Hemanta. Anand, Nikhil goes for you. Aparna, Bhagav will be leading you. Purnima goes for Briyu. Vineet goes for Vicky. Ashwita goes here. Ajit goes here. Chandrika, Akhileshwar, okay. I think this is taking time. How many more do we have? Remaining. Okay, Atul goes here. So you're having 4 years of experience, right, Atul? Okay. Now Uday Kumar Rai. Okay. And how many more do we have? Okay. Sai Bhattacharya. And here we go, Deepak. And then, okay. Now everyone have their own role to play. So just check that you're working along with your team. It's not your individual contribution that matters. It's your team contribution that always matters. Akshay, I'm having someone else. Anand, can you work with your existing team? I think there is no need for extra team members for you.
Yeah, then it's fine.
Okay. So here we go. We have leads. Okay. Welcome to the new leads. We have developers. We have senior developers. We have junior developers. We have all kinds of people here, and we have business analysts as well. So business analysts we will be working separately, and testers will be working separately. Okay. So now the activities goes like this.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Vajra.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Josna. Actually, you didn't select my name in any team.
You are not audible, Vajra.
Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Josna. Actually, you didn't select my name in any team.
Joshna.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you, Joshna?
Yeah, in 38 number.
38
yeah.
requirement and okay. You are a lead developer. Okay, then I'll give you to. We have one member less, right? I'll give you to Anand. Sorry. Anand, here goes one more senior team member for you.
Okay.
Okay, done, Joshna?
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, anyone else need to work? Done, right? Okay, fine. So here we go. Every Bhargav, Briyu, so every member work with your respective projects. So this is your first team or first activity that we need to complete within this week. Okay, so these are your activities. You need to work on locators use case, active loans, notaries, servers, school. You have the links. Okay, and what testers need to do, Ambika, you need to make sure that they are creating, you should
Test scenarios and test cases.
yes, all the test scenarios and test cases, and you also need to have an understanding of how the project is getting done.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when are we going to have the understanding of the requirements or something?
You need to, that's what we need to understand. So please stay on the call. and do you want me to divide you into the teams or move you into the separate? Okay, what we can do is I can create separate links for each and every team, but that will actually kill our process. Can you guys connect after this meeting or during this meeting? Let's see one person. Briu, let's go with Briu. Briu's tester is Arpita and Briu's business is Shivasai. So Briu and Shivasai, please unmute.
Yeah.
Okay. So Briu, Shivasai will give you the information. So for now, let's do it as a mock for everyone to understand. Shivasai and Briu, someone can open the link active loans use case and show what is the requirement and tell how to develop so that others will be able to understand and then they can work on. Shivasai, can you do that, please? You're a business analyst, you should be able to do it. Don't worry, right now everyone are on the same plane. When you take it right, we will do it, we'll help you. Go ahead and do it.
Frankly, sir, I don't understand, sir.
You don't understand? Do you have any idea on how to work on? See, open the link and let's discuss. If you don't understand, that's fine. None of you are able to understand. Open the link, share
Yes.
your screen and talk. Don't complain about your team members. If the team member is not working, it's your responsibility as a leads to make them understand.
Can you see my screen?
Yep, Brio.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for taking up the initiative. Let's go.
Oh, this is the active loans project.
Okay, there is a Excel file that you can see. Click on that Excel file that you need to download.
Right. Okay. Okay, so to me it's open. Can you see it?
Yep. That's I can see only the browser. I think you need to share the complete screen. You shared only the browser.
Oh, you again? This you don't see?
No, the Excel is not visible.
Oh, it's asking me to go now. I thought I shared everything.
Guys, we'll have time today. Let's sit and work for 10 to 15 minutes extra. This is required at this point. Please stay.
Sorry, but I cannot get it again.
Okay, Briu, stop the screen share and do it again with complete screen, not only with one application. Yeah.
Well, I think that's what I did already.
Okay, let's do. Shiv says share your screen. It will be easier if you know. Yeah. What is your use case, Shiva? Is it active loans? Yeah, yours is active loans. Open active loans, please. Give me the access. Yep. So this is your active loans. Okay. So this is your initial requirement. You have the Excel file. Okay. And you have data. So based on the input, Download file. Open file. So these are the transaction items that you have. All you need to do is fill in the bank details, bank, branch, loan taken, amount, EMI, PAN number and status. The details you will receive are from here. Okay. And so please don't check with your power. Hello. Indana? Oh. So where is the other tab? Yeah. So here you go, and so for every ID that you can see here, if you can see in the input Excel, the last 4 digits is what unique that's being mentioned. Here you go. So you need to check with the last 4 digits. That is 7325, right? You can go here and search for 7325. 7325. Okay. I'm sorry. You're typing something? Just a second. 7325. And you need to click and open it. So the status is active and the PAN number is available over here. So the requirement is to copy and paste the PAN number in the Excel. Copy and paste it, Shiva. Excel, open Excel and paste it. Should I do it for you? Okay, here you go. Now, so we have Excel, and here we can go with the PAN number. Okay, and the status is active. Just update the status as active. ఆటో వచ్చింది వాళ్ళ అది ఫోటో పంపించాను వాట్సాప్. Yep, and these details you need to download the Excel, the zip file. So you need to click on this. You need to download. So the file is downloaded, right? And you need to unzip the file. Where is the downloaded file? Downloads. Open file location. So open this. Open. Okay. Right click. Extract here. So you need to extract the files. Refresh. Let's extract to this one. Yeah, you need to open this folder and you need to open this file and you need to fill all the details. Please fill all the details. Copy and paste all the details. So how many of you were able to understand this use case? Like what exactly do we need to do? I think it should be
Yes,
Briyu who
Satish
should be
here.
answering. Briyu, can you please answer?
Yes, understood. I'm doing it at the same time. It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, your task right now, so for everyone who are working on the projects, so for everyone, I will give you the list of tasks that you need to do as per the role.
Yes, Bajrang, as we are seeing this all the bank account numbers, the same way we have to download that this notepad files and extract the data and fill this required details.
Exactly. Okay. So now what you need to do is, let's go. So this is the way, and you need to complete till the end, like all the items. 78 items are there. All the items should be filled, and all you need to do is you need to send it over an email stating that the transaction is completed. Able to understand now or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay. So here are the steps that we need to do. Okay, let me just share my screen again. Okay, and I'll go with my teams and teams notes. So everyone will have the work. Who's responsible for what? So today is 16th or Sunday. So 16th Feb 2022, and then the timings are done, and roles, responsibilities. Okay, so why I am discussing it with everyone is, even if you go as a business analyst, you still will be able to answer each and every role with their responsibilities. Okay, remember that. Roles we have. So for every role, let's add a responsibility, role and responsibility. Okay, so first one is business analyst. So this goes like this. We have analysis phase, analysis, development, and testing, and deployment. So who is responsible for what? Analysis, who is responsible?
Yeah,
Business analyst.
business analyst.
Business analyst and solution architect. So what you need to do in analysis? Create documentation. What documentation? PDDs, process flows. Okay, and everything. Development. Who is responsible for development?
Developer.
Solution architect and developer. Solution architect can be checking with multiple solutions, and what is this? Solution architect and developers. Yeah. Okay. Testing. Who is responsible?
Tester and the developer.
Developers and testers. Deployment. Who is responsible for this? Business analyst, solution
BA.
architect, developer, tester, everyone. Because that is the output of everyone. Deployment is the output for everyone, right? Write code in RE framework only. So we need to discuss on RE framework. I do know that, but at least create projects on RE framework and create subflows. like whatever you want to do. Create modularized flows. I'll tell you how to do that. And testers, your task, you have all the inputs, right? How the initial requirements are given. You can get it from bots DNA websites. So Ambika, I want you to allocate, I think we have already allocated teams, right? To whom which member is working on. Ambika? Okay, Ambika is not available. But testers, you already have members. I want you to create test plans, test scenarios. Okay, everything. And deployment, we'll do it at the end. And how can we collaborate and work together is the important point we need to discuss. And here we go. Uh, let's see what we can do. Everyone will work on GitHub. No other option. Everyone will work only on GitHub. So for process flows and process design, you need to use task capture. Okay. And then what else do we have? Yeah, I think this is it. We are good to go on all the parts. Now the questions, please. Please go ahead and ask the questions. Important for you to ask the question, and I need to answer each and everything. Please answer.
Vajra, there
Yeah.
are 4 projects which was assigned to my the analyst level and the senior level. So is this 4 projects completed in within a week, or this is for the next 3 weeks?
These are for next 3 weeks. You can target for 1 week. Like today is Wednesday, right?
Right.
Now by Friday we need to have this done. Okay, so it's the responsibility of business analyst to give the requirements. See, business analyst requirements are already there. You need to create PDDs and process flows, but you need to sit with solution architect to work on this and developers. Okay, so one thing that you need to understand, you need to work on your individual teams. So if Bhagyashree is there, you need to contact Bhargav and Sirisha to work with test cases, and Bhargav will need to check with his team members how to work. Bhargav, you have enough team, and let's see how you are planning it. See, I'm not checking or I'm not saying here for you to complete the code. The code you can get it from everywhere, but follow the process. Understand that this is the way how you need to do it. It's not a race course on who does the first project. Okay, everyone. Yeah, follow everything properly and perfectly. See that you are learning each and every concept. Okay, so Bhargav, you need to check with all your team members, well, everyone. If you want, create meetings. Okay, so in the Teams channel, in the Teams, you can go ahead and talk to your members. So what we can do is internally we can you can add. Okay, see here, chat. So create project-wise teams. Okay, so here we have. Let me just add it. So Bhargav, right? Bhargav, right? Bhargav.
Yes, Vajra.
Yeah, Bhargav. Let's add one more team member. So who is your tester? Sirisha. Sirisha. And who is your business analyst?
Okay, Vajra. It's me, I think, Bhagyashree.
Bhagyashree. Is it BAGY?
BHAGY.
BHGYA. Bhagyashree, right? So along with that, add your team members, and let me just update this one. I can just add this. So add me in all the team members in all the groups. So there we will have only 5 teams, not more than that. Okay. So add your sub team members as well in this group, and then in the same way add others as well. So who else do we have in the meetings? And communicate all the information only in this group, everyone. Okay. Can we do a test run now? Okay. Others, please create your groups. Solution architects, please create your groups, please. Please create your groups. It's there in your mission. I'm just sharing my mission. So go ahead and create your groups. Check with your teams, create your groups. What is this? Vicky Sharma. I'm deleting this message of yours. No, don't message here. This will not work. Vicky.
Okay. So personally, you need to form a group or?
Yeah, see, I have created a group, right? So Bhargav already have it. Briyu, can you create a group, please? All you need is okay. Vicky, right? Vicky. I'll just create one for you. See, go to the chats. Okay. Search Vicky Sharma. So who is your business analyst or any other team member? Guys, you can just talk.
Add Ritesh as a analyst.
Ritesh. Yes. Add. So you just add others as well from your team here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So just.
Vajrang, I was not able to see the group which you created.
What is your name?
Bhargav.
No, you'll see.
Yes, it's the same for me. I don't have the option to create group.
Let me just. It's not separate. It's just a chat group. Briyu, right?
Brieux, yeah.
Okay. Who is your business analyst, please?
You see, each time I change the window, it disappears, so it's not easy to answer right away.
Yeah, please go ahead and check. Anyone who remember?
Is Shivsai.
Shivsai, right?
Shivsai BF. Yeah. For
Shivsai, 0345, 0435, right? Yeah. Fine. So you two are added in single group. Okay, we have other groups as well. Please communicate so that I will just form the teams for you.
So, yeah.
For Hemanta, I'm the business analyst, Bhagyashree.
Bhagyashree. So Hemanta and Bhagyashree are single group. Bhagyashree.
Hemanta is solution architect.
Yeah. So Bhagyashree is already there. We along with Bhargav. Is it right?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay. What's your name? Include all the chat history. Yeah. What's your name, please?
Yeah.
Hemanta. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just add everything here. I'll just change the names. That's fine. Team Wiki. Instead of Team Wiki, just write what is the project name that you're working on. Locator use case. What is your use case, Wiki?
Let me check it quickly.
Yeah, please go ahead and do.
It's notaries for Wiki.
Notary, right? Notary use case. Yeah. Now this is good. Bhagyashree added. Guys, please add your team members. Do it now. Shivasai, you too can add your team members. Check and update your team members.
Hello. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, please talk.
Hello.
Please talk.
Yeah,
I can
Satish
hear
here. I am not able to search my name. Yeah, I am not able to search my name.
you. Satish, right? Satish,
Yes.
which team are you from?
Hemanta.
Hemanta. Satish Rati, right? I will just add you.
Yes.
Hemanta Satish. Okay. One thing. Okay, guys, if you want, just copy it and paste it in your local Excel. That will help you easy. Okay. And what are you working on? Project names. Two spaces. Bhargav, Prayu, Vicky, Hemanta, Anand. Okay. Okay. So I'm just forming out teams for you. You can just go with that. So we have Hemanta and Satish Rati, right? Hemanta, Satish Rati.
Yes.
Is it already formed? Hemanta and Satish Rati?
No, not phone. I am not able to search my name. That's why.
Yeah, just a second. Let's just. Your name, please. Your email ID.
Satish Rathi.
SAT HISH. Yeah, I have you. Okay. So who is your team member? You are in which team?
Hemanta.
Hemanta, you already formed a team or not? Okay, let me form it for you. Hemanta Kumar Nanak, right? Right. Yep. I'll just message her. Just see. You can get that. Add people. So Ashwita, Sindura, Deepak. Yes. Sindura. Deepak. Deepak Ram. Is that right? So your team name is server. Okay. Locator we have, notary we have. Briyu, what is your team name? Active loans.
Loans.
Yeah, got you. And here we go. Active loans. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next team? 1, 2, 3, 4. Anand, you are with school. Who's there in Anand's team? Can you please talk? Anand, are you available?
Yes, Bajrang.
Yep. So I'm just adding form teams. Anand Andy 777, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Me also.
So Nikhil Jadhav. Nikhil, what's your email ID? Nikhil? So I'm just adding Abhijit. Okay. And then Mangesh, Akshay, Joshna. You have one more member called Uma Devi. She's having 6 years of experience. Uma, are you available in the call? Uma Devi? I have added Uma Devi as well. Anand, you there?
Yes, Bajrang.
Yeah, so school use case is for you. Okay, and here you go. School. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the teams are allocated. Just add your team members, add your team names. So, okay, don't leave the team. And one thing to mention to everyone, see, you are a lead to a project, not to any person here. No need to shout on anyone, maintain the dignity. If someone is not working, accept that there are people with works, and make sure it's your work as well to complete the project. So you sit and work. Okay. If you're working, you will get a nice opportunity and nice work, and as well as nice salary. Don't rely on others and give complaints stating that someone is not working, I cannot do anything. If someone is not working, take a pause, leave it to them, and you sit and work. Am I clear on this for everyone?
Yes, Vajra.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is
Okay.
what we are having. Maintain the dignity, and if someone is not working, leave it. You work on your project. Okay. If the project manager or a solution architect or business analyst is not working, then someone in the team take lead and be a business analyst. Someone in the team take a lead and create those documents. It's your team now. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So that's it for today. So come up with your ideas. Come up with your.
Just have a question.
Yeah, tell me, please. Tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, I still cannot find a way to add member to my team. So
can you please? Okay. Do one thing. Take help of your team members. Who's your team? Satish, Shiv Sai is there. Is it right? See, everyone are having.
Yeah, bro. I have added your name, bro.
Yeah. So everyone are having each and everyone are having the same access, same level of access. No one is given any extra access or any elevated access. So just click on this particular +3 button, and then you will be able to add people. So let me just add Purnima, Akleshwar, Uday Kumar, Chandu, Vamshi Krishna. Purnima. So Purnima, what is your email ID?
Oh, I see. I see now. Okay.
Purnima, what is your email ID? Just check with that. Okay. And PALL? Yeah. Yeah, got it. Got it. And Uday Kumar Rai Chandu K. Uday, what's your email ID?
It's RAIS, yes.
Yes, Uday. Chandu Vamshi Krishna. Chandu Kamarboyna, is it right? Vamshi Krishna. Is it Vamshi Krishna or Vamshi Silver?
Vamshi Krishna.
Okay. Vamshi Krishna, 43.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So do only group messaging. Don't go for individual messaging. That will not work within the teams. Okay. And everyone can work on their own projects and create one repos. Okay, now for you to work on the repos, how can you work on that? So that is one thing that we need to discuss. For now, for today, create, go to your Teams channel, and in Team 7, create a folder for yourself with the use case name, and then add every detail in that. For example, if I add, let me just add one for one team member, that is locator use case. So all the documents, please place it here. Into the top. So locator. What else do we have? Guys, just create your folders and add. So what do we need to have here? Notepad. I'll just add a notepad. Just a second. I'll just add. You can also create visual drawings So even if you want to create Visio, you still will be able to do that. Process flow. So this is, I haven't seen that earlier, but now even if you are comfortable with Visio, you still will be able to create process flows. Okay, use each and every option. I want the best outputs that you have. Okay, process flow. If you want to create, you can create PowerPoint presentation, you can create Word, everything. Just create notes, process flow. Flow step by step. Okay. See the notes, see whatever we already have. Don't think that you don't have any information. You have all the information. Just check with the notes. You need to follow the notes. You need to work on the notes. Teams notes. Okay, so see, in this particular team notes we have somewhere the documentation. Okay, so these are the correct answers that you need to ask, or these are the correct questions you need to ask. You need to fill each and everything in the PDD. Create process flows first. Okay, don't think that only one person is creating. If the person is not having any idea, you create. Everyone in the team can create. Okay, so I'll drop off. I will not do any micromanagement. Team leads, follow up with your teams and get the things done. It's your task now. Okay, everyone? Can we
Okay.
drop off for the call?
Vajran, can you add me